Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Comida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, November 17, 2025. Anak ni Lea Salonga na si Nick Chin nagpatanggal ng breast, worth it. Tulad ng singer-songwriter na si Jake Zyrus, nagpatanggal na rin ng boobs ang transgender man na anak ni Lea Salonga na si Nick Chin. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang Instagram account, ibinahagi ni Nick ang kanyang topless photo kalakip ang pagkumpirma sa pinagdaan ng breast removal surgery last September, 2025. Ayon kay Nick, o Nicole Beverly Chin sa tunay na buhay, matagumpay ang ginawang operasyon sa kanya na tinatawag na FTM chest reconstruction surgery. Mababasa sa caption ng IG post ng 19 anyos na si Nick, was able to finally get top surgery last September. Been waiting to heal enough to post a nice looking picture of myself. The healing process was brutal, but worth it, simulang mensahe ng anak ni Lea. Pagpapatuloy niya, on a more serious note, it's done wonders for my gender dysphoria and overall mental health. Not having to wear a binder, be afraid of judgment, and being able to be shirtless has been one of the most gratifying things ever. I'm very grateful to be able to receive gender-affirming care, and I hope sharing and talking about my experiences helps show the importance of this kind of stuff. Happy Transgender Awareness Week, everyone! P.S. Wouldn't have been able to do all of this without parents' support, love you. Ang buong pahayag ni Nick, isinabay ng anak ni Lea ang pagpo-post ng kanyang topless photo sa paggunita ng Transgender Awareness Week, mula November 13 hanggang November 19. Ibinandera ni Nick sa buong mundo na isa na siyang ganap na transgender man. Matatanda ang noong June 2017, ibinalita ni Jake Zyrus na nakilala noon bilang si Charis Pempenko, na sumailalim siya sa breast removal surgery, female-to-male chest reconstruction surgery. I feel complete, ang pahayag ni Jake matapos matanggal ang kanyang dibdib.
Hi, I'm Lea Salonga and I play the witch.
Hi, I'm Nick Chin and I play Jack.
Welcome to the gala of Into the Woods.
E-follow ang Instagram ni Nick Chin, i-click ang link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed, magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!